Alicia. She watches her smile, and she loves Mandy give her kisses. What's she doing to you? Can you see that? Mom, come here a second. Come look at this. Rachel's getting all kinds of... She just ran out the door. Oh, he's sleeping someplace.
He's sleeping someplace.
Come here, look. Oh, wait. She's giving her kisses, and she's smiling up at... Talk to her, Alicia.
No, sing my
Did you see her face? She loves this. She smiles at her.
Well, look at that kiss and a hug.
Kissing cousin.
Did she bounce there a lot during the meal?
Here, let's put her in her chair, honey. You can talk to her. She's in her chair. Okay?
Did you tell Grandma thank you for the Easter basket?
You look